Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures on your Redmi Buds 6 Lite. You have to start by open the application and now go to the gestures here. Now for the single tap for the left one I prefer to use play pause and the same for the right one, but you can choose the best one for you. For the double tap for the left one I prefer to use volume down and for the right one volume up. Now for the triple tap for the left one I prefer to use previous track and right one I leave it here, but you can choose again the best one for you. For the press and hold for the right one I leave it here to swap between noise control, and for the left one I wanna use voice assistant. And now go back. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!